Black shot dead a day after being freed on gun-related charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Westmoreland police are probing Thursday night murder of a man who was shot and killed by yet unknown assailants at a plaza in the parish capital Savanna-la-Mar just a day after being freed of charges in the Western Gun Court. The deceased has been identified as 34-year-old Shawn Smith, otherwise called Blacks of Savanna-la-Mar address. Smith recently surrendered to the Westmoreland police after being placed on the most wanted list. He was subsequently charged with wounding with intent and illegal possession of firearm. No motive has yet been established for the deadly attack on Thursday night. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.